In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji or icon on a Trello list or card. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to open your Trello board. To do this, just log into your account at Trello.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board where you want to add emojis. It's a straightforward process, but it lays the groundwork for customizing your Trello experience. Now that you're on the right board, let's move on to the next step, entering edit mode. You'll want to locate the title of the list or card you want to customize. It's as simple as clicking directly on the text of that title. This action will take you into edit mode, allowing you to make changes just as you need. Once you're in edit mode, it's time to bring up the emoji keyboard. The shortcut you'll use depends on your operating system, so let's break it down. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press the Windows key and the semicolon key at the same time. This will immediately bring up the emoji picker. If you're on a Mac, you want to press Control Command Spacebar at the same time to open the emoji palette. Now that you've called up the emoji picker, it's time to select and add your emoji. You can scroll through the emoji palette to find the one that fits your task or list category. For instance, if you want to highlight an important task, you might want to use the pushpin emoji, which looks like. If it's something that's already been completed, maybe a checkmark emoji like would do the trick. You also have the option to use the search function within the picker to quickly find the emoji that you have in mind. Once you see the emoji you want, just click on it and it will be instantly inserted into the title. After you've chosen your emoji, it's important to save your changes. To do this, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard, or you can click outside of the text box. Both actions will finalize your new title with the emoji included. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added an emoji or icon to a Trello list or card. This little customization can help make your Trello board more vibrant and organized, making it easier to see what each list or card represents at a glance. So there you have it. Adding emojis on Trello is quick and easy, enhancing your productivity while adding a bit of fun to your workflow. Remember to play around with different emojis to truly make your Trello board your own. Thanks for tuning in. If you found today's video helpful, I really appreciate it if you could subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy Trello managing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.